Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. I thought I'd bring my bike out today. I've come to a place called Galmpton. I'm at Galmpton Creek on the River Dart. As you can see, that's a little bit misty. And the plan is to cycle to Stoke Gabriel, just along the river, and go to the mill pond there. And hopefully with these conditions I'll get some half decent photographs. Right, let's get on with it. Well, apart from planning the actual cycle route, I didn't put any thought really into the photography. But it was quite a misty day, very monochrome in colour, which lent itself to some black and white photography. So I started with this one, f11, to get it all in focus. And then looking out over the creek towards the river, you could see there wasn't much going on, but these boys sort of led out into the river, and then you could follow the lines of the patterns on the water. So I started with this one at f8, no need for a great depth of field. And then this one. So I've treated the shot slightly differently. The first one, I've lightened up the edges, and with this one there's a slight vignette on it to lead your eye into the centre of the shot. And I've left the colour in the boys for some more interest. Now this shot was from the same location just over a year ago, and using the Photo Pills app I was able to determine where the moon was going to set, and as you can see, with a little bit of planning, I've got this quite colourful shot. And I was lucky that there was a good composition with this boat on the left. And again, same location, different day. It's always worth returning to locations with potential in different conditions. And I'm always surprised by how different the shots can be. Well, I arrived at the mill pool and couldn't see a photograph anywhere, but I did like the patterns in the trees opposite, and I'm sure there was something in the view out into the river. But this is all I got. I need to go back again another day. Well, as you can see, I'm back at the creek. I went to Stoke Gabriel, but there wasn't anything really inspiring. I thought I'd just stop at the creek as I was passing, and there was an egret on the shoreline, so I've taken a few shots of that. And it's a Thursday, so there's a few people busy at work making some noise, but that doesn't seem to be stopping the wildlife. And it's certainly not going to stop my photography. Well, this is a little egret. You can tell by its dark bill. The large egret, or great egret, has a much yellower bill. And again, the image just lent itself to a monochrome black and white image. The white of the bird contrasting against the reflections in the water. And I've put a bit of a vignette on it as well. And here it is in full colour. As you can see, the browns of the mud and the warm yellows in the reflections are okay, but I still prefer the black and white image. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. Should I be doing more black and white photography? Who knows? Anyway, above the din. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a subscribe and hit the like button. But hopefully I'll see you again next Sunday. But for now, cheerio.